Rising above the city of Almería in southern Spain, the Alcazaba of Almería is one of the largest and most powerful Islamic fortresses ever built in Al-Andalus. The Alcazaba was founded in 955 by al-Rahman III, the Umayyad Caliph of Córdoba, to protect the growing port city and assert caliphal authority along the Mediterranean coast. Its hilltop position allowed control over the city, harbor, and surrounding countryside. Designed as both a military fortress and a palace complex, the Alcazaba featured massive defensive walls, watchtowers, cisterns, mosques, and lush gardens. Within its 3 enclosed precincts, soldiers, officials, and rulers lived and governed, blending defense with daily life. After the Christian conquest in 1489, the Alcazaba was adapted by the Catholic monarchs. A new castle with thick walls and artillery towers was added to counter gunpowder warfare, giving the fortress its unique mix of Islamic and Christian military architecture. Over time, earthquakes and neglect caused significant damage, and the fortress gradually fell into ruin. Large sections collapsed, and the Alcazaba remained abandoned for centuries, standing as a silent reminder of Almería's layered past. In the 20th century, restoration efforts revived the Alcazaba, stabilizing its walls and reconstructing key areas. Today, it is one of Andalusia's most important historic monuments, offering panoramic views of the city and sea while preserving the legacy of Islamic Spain.